Hello guys, I welcome you back in One in One YouTube channel. Today I will give some practice session on the home row and I will tell how to develop a muscle memory on home row. And so basically I will give tutorial. This is my first tutorial on home row. So you will notice there are 26 alphabetical key, and you will notice only there are two keys which are having a bump or a proliferation which are coming out, that is J, that is J key, J, that is the little proliferation which are coming out from a J key, J, and on a F key, that is little proliferation is coming out. You will notice this is because to identify J and F without looking the keyboard, you can help to identify it by placing your hand. So if I place your hand, there are any other key on keyboard, the alphabet, you look any other key is not having any proliferation. Only F and J is having. This is because you have to identify without looking it where is F and J. So I will start with my tutorial. First you have to keep your tiny finger on A, then your this finger on S, this finger middle finger on D, and this finger, that is forefinger, which is you have to keep on F. Same on right hand side, tiny finger on semicolon. We call it as a semicolon because semicolon will appear once you with the keep if you press it. Then this finger you have to keep your this finger on L, middle finger on K, and forefinger on J. Your exercise is type A space bar, S space bar, D space bar, F space bar. Then on the right hand, semicolon, space bar, L, space bar, K, space bar, J, space bar. You have to type it without looking the keyboard, and for 1 hour at least you have to type, so that you develop a muscle memory, so that you will type it without looking at the keyboard. First, if you are not able to type, then just little bit you can look at the keyboard so that you can type it. So believe it is easy, you will type it. So you should type it, that is E, S, D, F, semicolon, L, K, J, A, S, D, F, semicolon, L, K, J. So I hope that you will practice it. Thank you so much.